fort.
Dude, probably really crappy.
Dude, I must spent a half hour on it.
No way. I probably spent like 20 seconds on it.
Yeah, like 30 seconds tops.
Oh, come on, Matt.
Guys, this is my new fort.
Dude, it's so wimpy.
Guys, my fort isn't even that bad.
Yes, it is.
Oh my
It's
God,
terrible.
there's a pillow in it. There's a straight pillow in it. But it took me like a half hour.
That looks like it took 3 minutes.
20. You're so mean.
20 seconds tops, man.
Let's have a Nerf war.
All right.
What do I need? Thunderbolt. Okay, fine. Gee, this fort really is small.
Guys are not beating me.
Okay, alright, what do I need?
Oh, yeah.
Stop.
AccuStrike darts. Let's go. I'm hitting everything.
Chainsaw. Let's rip up some faces. Ready. Not gonna win this one!
It's 2-on-1. Thanks to his new AccuStrike darts, bruh. Everywhere I'm pointing. Oh, I threw them out.
I'm out of ammo! Jake, I'm going in! Matt, no! Matt, no!
I'm gonna get you for this.
Ha! What are you gonna do now without your partner, huh?
I got an idea.
No.
No! What are you gonna do now? Uh-oh.